Aches and stiffness can sneak up on us from spending much of our day sitting with less than ideal posture, often without us even realizing it. But I'm here to help you fix this issue by showing you 5 stretches that can undo years of damage in less than 15 minutes a day. Make sure to stick around till the end because the last one is my absolute favorite. There's really only one way to relieve the tightness that comes from sitting at a desk all day or working labor-intensive jobs, and that's by stretching daily. So, for the first stretch, let's tackle the irritating soreness that comes from these everyday activities. 1. The cat-cow. Our first stretch is the classic cat-cow, or as some people call it, cat-camel. This gentle fluid movement targets your spine, shoulders, and neck. Think about all the tension that accumulates in these areas from hours at a desk or after a labor-intensive day. The cat-cow is like hitting the reset button on your spine, and it's a perfect way to kick off your stretching routine. To do it, start on your hands and knees, with your wrists directly beneath your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Take a deep breath in, arch your back, lift your head and tailbone toward the sky, and let your belly sink. This is the cow position. As you exhale, round your spine upward, tucking your chin to your chest and engage your abs. This forms the cat position. Breathe in and out as you flow between these two poses for about 10 to 15 repetitions. It's not about rushing, it's about feeling the stretch in your back. The cat-cow doesn't just help your spine stay flexible, it strengthens the muscles that support good posture. This stretch is a gift to your lower back, and if you do it regularly, it can help fend off that dreaded hunched-over posture. 2. The butterfly stretch. If you sit a lot, you probably experience tightness in your hips and inner thighs. It's one of those discomforts that sneaks up on you. The butterfly stretch is a fantastic way to open up your hips and stretch your groin muscles. Why is this important? Well, tight hips can lead to poor movement patterns and even lower back pain. You're trying to put on your socks or lace up your shoes, and it feels like a full-body workout. That's tight hips for you. To do the butterfly stretch, sit on the floor and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees drop to the sides. Hold your feet and gently press your knees down toward the floor. Lean forward slightly, keeping your back straight to deepen the stretch. Hold this for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing deeply. It's a stretch that doesn't just make daily tasks easier, but also improves your form in exercises like squats and deadlifts. Who knew that sitting on the floor could be so helpful? 3. The supine twist. This one's a lifesaver if you ever wake up feeling stiff. The supine twist is a gentle spinal stretch that also opens your shoulders and hips. I love doing it first thing in the morning. It feels like a gentle wake-up call for my body. Lie on your back with your arms out to your sides, creating a T shape. Bring your knees to your chest, then slowly lower them to one side, keeping your shoulders grounded. If you want to deepen the twist, turn your head in the opposite direction. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute, then switch sides. What I love about the supine twist is how it releases tension, especially in your lower back. It's also a great way to increase your spinal mobility. But remember, don't rush. Move mindfully and let the stretch work its magic. 4. The calf stretch. Next up, your calves. These muscles often get tight from activities like running or even just standing all day, and tight calves can lead to issues like Achilles tendonitis or limited ankle mobility. That's why the calf stretch is essential for your lower body. To perform it, face a wall and place one foot forward, bending that knee while keeping your back leg straight. Lean into the wall until you feel a stretch in your back calf muscle. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute, then switch sides. Remember not to bounce during this stretch, keep it slow and controlled. If you're looking for something more intense, try an elevated calf stretch by placing the ball of your foot on a step and lowering your heel. This stretch is a must-do, especially if you want to improve your range of motion for exercises like squats and deadlifts, or even just walking comfortably. 5. Child's pose. And now for my favorite, child's pose. If there's one stretch that brings instant relief, it's this one. Child's pose gently decompresses your spine and stretches your back, hips, and thighs. I often use it to wind down after a workout or just relax after a long day. Start on your hands and knees, then lower your hips back toward your heels. Stretch your arms out in front of you and rest your forehead on the floor. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing deeply. Feel your chest sink toward the ground and let your shoulders relax. If you feel any knee discomfort, try widening your stance a bit. What's great about child's pose is how restorative restorative it is. It not only stretches your back, but also opens up your hips and promotes relaxation. It's like a mini massage for your entire body. These 5 stretches can be game changers for your body if you do them daily. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of each, holding each stretch for 30 seconds to a minute. Breathe deeply, listen to your body, and remember, stretching, like strength training, is a journey. It's not about immediate results, but about long-term benefits. So, which of these stretches are you going to try first? Or maybe you already have a favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And of course, do subscribe and like the video for more amazing content like this. See you next time.